This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get mint retrograde. Start by selecting vigorous mint plants and removing weak stems to concentrate energy. Place them where indirect light is steady and avoid sudden temperature swings to reduce stress. Water evenly, but allow slight drying between sessions so roots breathe and oils concentrate. Trim regularly to redirect growth into fewer stems and leaves that hold more aromatic compounds for that retrograde effect. Next, focus on timing and propagation techniques that produce mint retrograde effects. Take healthy stem cuttings about 3 to 4 inches long and remove lower leaves to expose nodes for rooting. Dip cut ends in rooting gel or clean water and place them in a humid tray or mason jar until roots form. Transplant rooted cuttings into loose, well-draining soil and continue gentle care to keep essential oils concentrated. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more plant tips. I also love the Oala water bottle because it keeps drinks cold and has a leak-proof lid that fits cup holders, making it perfect for outdoor mint tending. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy staying hydrated while you garden. Okay, now let's get back to the video. After establishment, maintain mint retrograde by controlling light, moisture, and pruning schedules for concentrated flavor. Prune regularly to prevent flowering and to encourage bushy growth, cutting above a node to stimulate 2 new shoots. Manage pests with manual removal or mild soap spray and avoid over-fertilizing, which dilutes oils. Harvest early in the morning when oils are strongest, and dry leaves briefly if storing for later use or infusion safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.